Rotate the first arm knob to adjust the rotational tightness of the first arm. Rotate the second arm knob to adjust the rotational tightness of the second arm. Twist the up and down movement adjustment knob of the second arm to adjust the up and down movement tightness of the second arm. Twist the connection arm. Turn the adjustment knob to adjust the connection arm. Rotate the tightness knob. Release the knob above the connection arm to unlock the rotation of the connection arm. Rotate the knob below the connection arm to adjust the left-right balance of the connection arm. Release the knob on the left side knob to the microscope head to unlock the pitching. Release the knob on the right side knob to the microscope head to adjust the connection arm. Before using microscope, adjust the pupillary distance and diopter. Adjust to appropriate parameters. AM-5000 supports 6-step magnification. Rotate any knob on the right and left side to change the magnification. Magnification from medium by X to RR by X. Adjust the LED knob on the right side of microscope head to adjust the LED brightness. AM-5000 equipped with a large variable objective lens. Zoom range from 198mm to 455mm. Rotate the variable objective lens to focus. Depth of field enhancement. Adjust the depth of field strength and device knob on the top left side of microscope head. Click the photo function. The photo icon is displayed at the top right of the display. To take picture, press the recording function. The recording icon is displayed at the top right of the monitor. Press the same icon again to save the video. Wait for the video storage pop-up to end. Complete recording. Fluorescence mode can be switched on by the light switch knob at the rear left side of microscope head. AM-5000 surgical microscope can be operated with one hand. Humanized design. Reduce the tiredness during surgery. Help doctors operate precisely.